Hello dear, welcome to my channel once again. Today we would like to go further in our Abacus mental math journey. Last week we looked at finger counting, how to use our fingers to count from 0 to 99. But this week we are going a bit further. We are going to introduce simple addition and subtraction using our fingers. Alright, so before we delve into today's business, let's do a little revision. Let's revise what we did in the last video. Remember, I said that the first thing we would learn how to do if we want to count is to put our hands in 0 position. Can you remember what I showed you? Okay, to 0 your hands, you first of all fold both thumbs and then you cover them with the remaining 4 fingers. Alright. And we did say that the right hand represents your unit and your left hand represents your tens place value. And this is number 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. You got that right. This is 6, 7, 8, and this is 9. Okay, we said this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. It then means that when my 2 hands are open wide like this, it represents the number 99. You guessed right. Alright, so what number is this? I would like you to give me the answers in the comment section. This is the first one. Okay, what number is this? Also, give me the answers in the comment section. What number is this? Beautiful, beautiful, lovely. And the last one, let's say what number is this? Beautiful. So I would like to see your answers in the comment section. Thank you, thank you. Alright, so today we would want to proceed further and we are going to introduce simple addition and subtraction using our fingers. Now before we delve into that, it's important for us to know. Let's do a quick recap. I know this is something that you already know, but let's look at look at our fingers. What do you call this finger? You guess right. This is the thumb. This is your index finger. This is your middle finger. This one, yes, you guessed right, the ring finger, and then this is the little finger. The Americans call it pinky. Alright, so now there are rules to be followed when you want to perform addition and subtraction using your fingers. And what are these rules? Pay attention. Now, for addition, you always start from your index finger and you move or you walk towards your little finger. So you move in this direction, starting from your index finger, walking towards your little finger. That is rule number 1 for addition. Rule number 2 for subtraction. In the case of subtraction, you always start walking from your little finger, the one that is bent, and then you walk towards your index finger. So you move in the opposite direction. You start from your little finger and you walk towards your index finger. Please do not forget these rules. Very, very important. So whenever you want to add, you start from your index finger and you move towards your little finger. And for subtraction, you start from your little finger and you move towards your index finger. Alright. Now the third rule I would want to share with us is this. That when you want to handle numbers that are greater than 5, whether you are adding or you are subtracting them, for numbers that are greater than 5, you first of all treat or you handle the number 5, and then you apply whether the first rule or the second rule. So if it's a rule that has to do with addition, maybe you want to add a number like say 6, you want to add a number like say 7, 8, or 9. You understand? You first of all treat, 6 to 8. You first of all treat number 5, and then you now apply whether the first rule or the second rule. Please, let's not forget that. Alright. So let's take a little sum. Let's do some little sums. Take for instance on the unit place value. Let's say 1. And I say plus 2. You add 1 and 2. That gives us 3. Take another one. Say 1 plus 1 plus 2. You add 1, 2. That gives us 4. Beautiful. Let's take another one. 1 plus 5. You raise your 5. Plus 2, 1, 2. Plus 1, add 1 more. That is 9. In Abacus Mental Math, whenever we want to prompt you for the answer, we ask you, we say that is. So whenever you hear that is, it means I am asking for the answer. So let's do another one. Say 2 plus 1. Let's add some subtraction now. Minus 3, that is 0. You guessed right. Alright. Okay, let's try tens and unit right now. Let's do something like this. Say 10, that is 1 and 0, plus 21. You add 1, 2 to your tens. You add 1 to your units. Plus 1, you add 1 to your unit. That is, the answer is 32. We have 3 in our tens and 2 in our unit. Beautiful. Let's try one last one. Tens and unit again. Let's say 24. Okay. Plus 10. You add 1 to your tens. Minus 12. Minus 12 means you will take 1 from your tens and then you take 2 from your unit. That is, you guessed right, 22. 20 in your tens, 2 in your units. Alright, so this is how we do simple addition and subtraction using our fingers. Watch this again. Let's say something like 1 plus 3, you add 1, 2, 3, plus 20, you add 2 to your tens, that gives us 24, and we say minus 13. That means you take 1 from your tens, and then you take 1, 2, 3 from your unit, that leaves us with 11. Notice the movement of my fingers. You will notice that my fingers are moving for addition, they move in this direction, and for subtraction they move in the opposite direction. Alright. Now I want us to implement, let us try out what I said concerning numbers that are greater than 5. Numbers that are greater than 5. Assuming you are given something like this, say 1. And I say plus 6. Remember the rule. You first of all treat, or you first of all handle 5, and then you follow the rule that applies, whether the first one or the second one. So let's do 1 plus 6. You first of all add 5. That's not enough. You're supposed to add 1 more. So you come here and you add the second one. So that means 1 plus 6 gives us what? You guessed right. The answer is 7. Beautiful. Let's take another one. Say 1 plus 7. You add 5, 6, and 7. That is, you guessed right, the answer is 8. Okay, let's try some subtraction sums. Look at this. 9 minus 6 want to minus 6. We want to take away 6. So the first thing you are going to do is take away your 5 here. Remember the rule for subtraction. You always start from your little finger. So you take 1 from this direction, and that leaves us with what? 3. Okay, let's do some sums that are involving tens and units. Let's say 23, 2 and 3. Plus 66, add 6 here, add 6 there. Minus 78. Remember, we are subtracting digits that are greater than 5. So on the tens side, we are going to take away 7. You first of all take away your 5, 6 and 7. Here you're going to take away 8. You take away your 5, 6, 7 and 8. The answer is 11. Alright. So that's how to handle numbers that are greater than 5. Let's do a quick recap. Numbers that are greater than 5. Let's do something like this. 2 plus 7 plus 20 plus 60 minus 76. 5, 6, 7, and then take 6 here. That is 13. That is 13. Alright, let's do another one. 25 plus 14. You add 1 to your tens and 4 to your units. Plus 60. You add 5 and 6. That's under your tens. Minus 45. You take 4 from your tens, 5 from your units. That is 54. 54. Alright. Now, with these tips I have shown you, you should be able to perform what we call simple addition and subtraction without much difficulties. Alright. I would like to also let you know that there are certain additions and subtraction, there are certain sums that you will need, you will need some help along the way. In the next video, we are going to be introducing that. I'm going to introduce the concept of complements. In the next video, we're going to talk about complements, because there are certain additions and subtractions that you will not be able to perform easily the way we did these ones. So I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, to subscribe to our channel so that you can always get new videos anytime they are uploaded. Thank you and do have a great day.